So we're here today with Tyler. His sister's out shopping with mommy, and he's just gonna have a little show and tell about his car. So tell me, Tyler, is that one of your favorite trucks?
Yes.
And what color is that truck?
Green.
It's
Dark
green.
It's dark green.
Very good, it is dark green. And let me ask you another question. Does that truck have any other colors?
Yes.
What other colors do you see on that truck?
Dark green.
And what else? Any other color?
Yes.
What?
Red and gray and gray and beige
Very good.
and black.
And does that truck go very fast?
Yes.
How fast does it go? Oh, go ahead. Wow. Can you do that again? So let me ask you a question. Did you do a show and tell about that truck in school?
Yes.
And what did you tell the teachers?
I thought let's go faster.
Yeah, what else did you say?
Thank you, Ty.
You said thank you, Tyler.
Yes.
And what's your teacher's name in school?
Mrs. Agustina Musical Power.
Say it again.
Mrs. Agustina Musical Power.
Wow. Do you like your teachers? Yeah, you have fun in school?
Yes.
You do. Okay. And are you excited to go to school tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. So, is there anything else you want to say about your truck?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Probably go faster.
Yeah? Does it take a lot of gas?
Mm-hmm.
How much gas? A lot?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. So like 20 gallons of gas?
Yeah.
Mm.
Again,
Why is that your favorite truck, not the other cars?
Then I want to.
That's just how you feel now?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you have any other cars that you like very much?
Yes.
Can you show me one other car that you like very much? Go get one and come back.
That one?
Sure, go get one.
Different car.
Go sit down.
That one's my favorite car.
Let me see. Show the camera. Wow. That's your other favorite car?
Yeah.
Yes. What do you like about that truck?
From my wall.
What is it?
From my wall.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. So that's all we got. You know, we talked about your favorite truck, the green one and your red one. And then we'll do another video next week, okay?
Okay.
Sounds good?
Yes. Let's try this again.
You want to try this again?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. We will. We will try it again. You okay?
Okay.
All right. So that's it.